Very cool. Welcome back to another video, and today is amazing day. What can I say? You know, do you ever get those days where it's just a good day? So finally going to get my hair cut. So finally it's time for my appointment to get all this horrible hair off. So I've just been to Tesco to get some of these bad boys, these face coverings to wear because it's a requirement, which is understandable. And then later tonight there is a car meet. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be a great day, even though the weather's looking a bit shocking. Seems about right. Day before a car meet, and here we are. I mean, day of a car meet even, and here we are. Oh, you've got to love and hate these cars, don't you?
Thanks very much for being with
Say hello,
me for
Tom.
2 hours. Stay tuned.
Hi. So just getting our hair cut before the car meet. Getting the weather's kind of terrible at the moment, so hopefully it'll improve. I've spoken to Ollie. The forecast says it will improve. So yeah, see you when all this is finally gone. Pulling up to the car meet now. I'm pretty sure in front of Ollie just here there's a classic Ferrari in black. So if that's true, I'll make sure to get some video footage of that. But yeah, looks like there's already some pretty insane cars here, and we're actually here early. So it looks like it's going to be another mad one. Still in the queue. This is such a busy meet already. Got the really nice trees there. the Stanced S7, I think it is, or S5, sorry. Very nice. RS, of course. So we're still queuing to get in. We've been queuing for about probably just under 10 minutes now. It's absolutely crazy busy. Not sure why. I'm not sure if it's just a very popular meet or if it's a small space they're trying to get everyone into. But yeah, some absolutely crazy cars here. Look at those Evos. So we have the pair, the blue one and the yellow one. Absolutely unreal. What's up, guys? We're here now at Red Line? Links meet?
Links
Red
Line.
It's absolutely packed, as I'm sure you can see. Absolutely insane cars here. We've seen the classic Ferrari, the two Evos here, the blue one and the yellow one, which you saw on the clip. Always mental thoughts. Always, isn't there?
Always. Talking. Going for
Yeah, it should be an absolutely amazing night. So let's have a look at some of these cars. mine. First meet with a Celica! A Supra just rolled up. I'm trying to find it. We'll see it, hopefully.
Watch out. Very cool.
So we've just got to the second location. The cars are coming in now. The first location was absolutely crazy, but the police did shut it down, unfortunately. So yeah, I've never been here before, and this is quite sick, isn't it?
Pretty sick.
Yeah. So yeah, hopefully this one will last a little bit longer. What's up? So it is the day after the car meet. We weren't at the second location very long because there wasn't that many people there. Me and Ollie had a really good time. The reason that I didn't film anything as we were leaving or when we were there, really, is mine and Ollie's phone died, unfortunately. So yeah, really poor planning. So hopefully the next time our phones won't die. But yeah, it was an unreal car meet. The Supra's there, the GTR's there, it was really good. The police presence wasn't as bad as I thought, but it was still pretty bad. But anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content, please give me a subscribe. If you want to let me know anything in the comments, just drop it down below and I'll see you in the next one.